welcome back to my channel. Y'all, let's just get right into this video. I wanted to do mini twists. I started it, then I was like, do I really want to do some mini twists? I don't think so. So they're like mini but medium parting. Yeah, let's say that. Y'all, I am a lazy natural. I just want to let y'all know that. All these videos, it's just me being lazy and just forcing myself to do my hair because I refuse to pay anyone to do my hair when I can do it myself, you know? I watch these videos all the time of girls doing mini twists on their hair, their natural hair, but I never see anyone with my type of hair. It's kind of like my hair is thick, but it's not full. I don't think that's the way I want to describe it, but it's kind of like around the perimeter of my head. I'll say like my edges and around like, my nape. It's very thin. Like the curl texture is pretty much like a 4B, I'll say. Not even 4B. It's in the category of 4C, but the curls are much looser than the rest of my hair, and honestly that makes it look like my hair doesn't have any type of like volume or fullness to it. So that is always aggravating. Like I don't know, like honestly y'all, 2023, I'm trying to live in my skin, like like be more comfortable in my skin, be more comfortable within myself, wearing my natural hair, wearing less makeup, or if I do wear makeup, I'll do like a natural look. Y'all get the vibe that I'm getting. Reason being, I am trying to do my natural hair more often, wear my natural hair out. I just want to be that girl in her natural hair without it being straightened or blown out. Like, like the other day I wore my hair in an afro. Y'all, I never wear my hair in an afro. I always put it up in a pineapple. Stop playing with that, girl. Yeah, I'm really trying to get into it. Yeah. Another thing, don't come for me for these parts. Y'all, I got so lazy when it started getting to the top of my hair. One thing about me, I'm not gonna part my hair correctly. Like, it's gonna give very much confusion. So that's what it's giving here. Y'all, I don't know what my next hairstyle is gonna be, but this is gonna last me like 2 weeks, I believe. So I literally forgot to record the end result when I finished my hair, but this is a couple days after. As you can see, my hair shrunk, so I've just been putting my hair up in a ponytail. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.